Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your Facebook professional mode option is not showing. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So if your Facebook is not showing the professional mode option in your profile settings, there are actually a few things you need to try to fix and get it back. So here's what you'll need to do. So just make sure first that you are using the latest Facebook app, and to check that, what you need to do is to go into your Play Store if you're using an Android device, and go into your App Store if you're using an iOS device. And then just simply search Facebook in the search bar, and then just make sure that your Facebook is the most or updated version of the Facebook. So if an update is available, just simply install the updated version of the Facebook into your device. And then next, what you can do is to check that there are no spelling error in your Facebook or grammar mistakes in your Facebook profile name. And to check that, just go into your profile and then see if there are any issues in your username and or into your profile. And last but not least, what you can do is to check if your profile is locked. So professional mode won't show up in your profile settings if your profile is locked. So just unlock your profile, refresh the settings page, and you will see the option to turn on professional mode. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.